Are you proud of me?
We're proud of you. Never know.
Okay, let's watch it win. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Oh, there went another miner. That's 25 bucks. This is sick. Oh, is that all? Oh. Oh. Hit it. My heart is pounding.
Holy shit. You're just fucking magic, son. Pure magic. I'm not.
But you're with me and we're both winning. It's so fun. I could get us a hotel if you want. Oh, but this is like a lot. Oh, okay.